Today I'm going to go over thread repair and installing a helicoil insert. I've got a timing cover here that needs a little restoration. Normally I just replace this, but because this Mustang has a reasonable amount of value, we want to try and keep this thing as correct as we possibly can, and this is the original timing cover. You can see here that I've got pretty good thread showing in that cover, and all the rest of the threads for the water pump in the cover are in pretty good shape, except for this one. This one right here is pretty stripped out. There's still a little parent metal there, but it's just not going to take a bolt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a helicoil in this guy right here. The process is pretty straightforward. I'm going to start by drilling this hole, and then I'm going to tap the hole using a tap that is designed specifically for this helicoil, and then the final thing I'll do will be to thread the insert into place. So here's the actual tools that we're going to be using. This is the helicoil tap, and on the tap it tells us what size of a drill we need to use, and it also tells us the size of the thread. In this case, this is 5/16 18 National Course, which is what I want to install on this cover, and it's telling me to use a 21/64 drill bit to drill the hole before I run this tap through it. This is the helicoil drive handle, and then this is the coil itself right here, and you can see it's just a little wire wound deal that'll ultimately end up threading onto the drive handle. And so now I'm going to go ahead and take this cover, drill that hole, and get started. Hole is drilled, and so now I'm just going to take my tap handle and the tap, and I'm going to start to thread this cover using this tap handle. Now, tap will center itself. You don't have to put a ton of downward pressure on it. You'll let it just kind of spin itself in and start that cut. And you'll know when it starts cutting, it'll straighten itself up, it'll quit trying to twist on you, and that's when you know you're good to go. And this one is making a liar out of me. It wants to keep turning off to the one side for some reason. So light pressure, light downward pressure, and light twist, and I think there we go. All right, so let's tap that hole. Okay, so I got the hole tapped, worked out pretty well, and I'm going to go ahead and thread this helicoil insert onto the installer. Turn it all the way down, so now it's ready to be threaded into the cover. I'm going to take just a little bit of a blue Loctite and put that on the threads to help keep this from backing out. I don't want this helicoil to back out, and a little bit of Loctite on this thread, not this one, but on the cover itself will help with that. I don't necessarily want to have that Loctite coming through to the inside diameter of the thread where it can engage the fastener when we put that bolt in. So now I'm just going to take this guy and thread it in. I'm going to take it, thread it all the way down so I'm at least a quarter of a turn down into the tapped hole, maybe even a little bit more. Then I can back this key out, okay, and there we go. There's the insert, it's in place, it's ready to accept a bolt. And you see down there at the very bottom of the insert, there's a little tab of metal or a tang. I'm just going to take a punch and a hammer and knock that tang out, and once that's done, this repair is complete. It's all ready to take a bolt. We'll be able to reuse this timing cover on this Mustang, and I think the customer will be pretty happy with it.